What's up everyone? So finally today Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is announced, and in this video we are going to look at the differences between the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So starting off with the design. The Galaxy Watch 4 Classic has a rugged look with its physical rotating bezel that is also kind of protecting the underlying glass from scratches and scuffs. The Galaxy Watch Active 4 on the other hand has a minimal design that lacks physical rotating bezel, but it has a touch bezel that will work just like the Galaxy Watch Active 2. The glass of the Watch Active 4 is exposed to external environment, so it is much prone to scratches and scuffs, because glass is glass and it scratches. Next we have size differences. The Galaxy Watch 4 Classic comes in two sizes, which are 46 and 42mm, while the Galaxy Watch Active 4 comes in 40 and 44mm size. The smaller size variants of both watches have 1.19 inches of screen size, whereas the bigger variants have 1.36 inches of screen size. Also, there will be a slight difference in weight between these smartwatches, with the lightest one being the Galaxy Watch Active 4 40mm and the heaviest one being the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic 46mm. Both have exactly the same internal storage, which is 16GB. Same amount of RAM for the base Bluetooth model, which is 1.5GB of RAM. And both have exactly the same health features. About battery, Samsung is claiming to provide up to 40 hours of battery life with a single charge, and that is about 1.5 days of battery life. Also this time Samsung has reduced the charging time to around 1.5 hours. And finally the last difference is regarding price. The cheapest watch being the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 4 40mm starting from €279, and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic 46mm that will be starting from €399. Their prices might be a bit different for different regions. So yeah, these were the main differences between the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and the Watch Active 4. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.